Okay, so the purpose of this video is to let you guys know that I no longer have the C43. I did have an accident a couple of weeks ago, sometime early in June, and so I got rear-ended by a dump truck on the highway on my way to my sister's graduation. And just to paint a picture of how it happened, basically there was traffic on the highway and cars were probably moving at like 10 kilometers per hour, so really slow. And I was moving as I should be moving, like following the pace of traffic. I wasn't distracted or anything. And then this guy behind me just keeps inching closer and closer, and I could just see the truck getting bigger in the rearview mirror. And then at this point, I'm like freaking out because I know like this guy might hit me, and I don't want anything to happen to the car again, especially after getting the car back like just a week before. And if you guys don't already know, I already had like a couple of things happen to the car, like flat tires, potholes in the city. And basically that car just had a lot of bad luck. But yeah, back to the story. The truck just kept getting bigger in the rearview mirror. He didn't stop and he eventually hit me. So we pull over to the side of the highway. This guy came out of the truck looking so dazed, like he was asleep or something, with a headphone on his head. So he might have been talking to someone on the phone or whatever. And basically we exchanged information, and he was driving for a company. So bro, he was screwed big time. Long story short, I sorted out with insurance. They tell me that it's gonna be a 30K fix. They don't bother fixing it because at that point you might as well write it off, right? So don't have the car anymore. The car's being written off. I'm gonna have to start thinking about what to get next, And I am gonna miss that car big time. I don't have a car anymore. At the time of this video, I'm carless, back to my legs, using the bus. It just really hurts because I spent a lot of time putting together content for you guys with that car. That was the car that made me get into this whole YouTube thing. So one last time, I'm gonna be saying goodbye to the C43. I'm gonna leave a couple of my best clips of the C43 at the end of this video. If you haven't watched my other videos, go check them out. I really love that car, but I don't know, I already have a couple of cars in mind. It might be closer than you guys think. But yeah, stay tuned, watch. Hit the subscribe button, hit notification bell, and keep going on this journey with me. Peace.